Gloria's puppies have more space today. They've got a pen on the side of the whelping box. And then when Tyler gets here, we're going to pull the little whelping box out of the big whelping box, and then they can have the big whelping box. But they're not real happy about the move, but they'll get over it. It's a stress period. It's an adjustment. But there they are. Whoa, wow, wow. But they got to get up and get mobile. They're just so fat. Oh, singing. Pop, pop, pops. Hey, pop, 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 pops. Pop, pops. Oh, they don't even, they're unhappy. They don't even want to hear pop, pop, pop.